Welcome. This is a new special report on Rama TV. I am Naomi Ojay. The Federal Ministry of Water Resources, alongside Water Health Nigeria Limited, have brought Clean Water Initiative to Sagamu, Ogun State. This initiative is aimed at bringing good water supply to the indigents of Remo land here in Ogun State. This initiative is a bonus for citizens of Sagamu who now have access to pure, healthy, properly sanitized water. This amazing initiative, called the Partnership for Expanded Water Supply, Sanitation and Hygiene, will give citizens of Sagamu and Remoland as a whole the opportunity to have access to clean and properly sanitized water at very, very affordable prices. I will be speaking to some key members of this initiative, so stay tuned.
In June 2019, the Federal Ministry of Water Resources awarded Water Health Limited with a contract to construct 5 water health centers across 5 local government areas in Ogun State, one of which is Sagamu. This would not have been possible without the support of the local arm of government and community leaders. The land on which the facility is built was given by the local government in contribution to this developmental infrastructure. Speaking on how Shagamites feel about this initiative, His Royal Highness Oba MSL Sorin Odofin of Shoindo and Oba Babatunde Adekunle Odunayo had a few words to say.
Any food drinks factory in Nigeria or in the world cannot do without good water. It is the vein that is the blood that runs in the vein of those industries. Water is very important to good drinking water is very important to them, and to this community also. It will help a lot. It help us a lot in reducing the waterborne disease, the rate of waterborne diseases in this community. And we are very appreciative of the project coming to Sagamu because I know that it will impact positively on the life of the people here.
Well, I want to thank the federal government for bringing this laudable project to our people. I believe we can be able to patronize this place. There will not be any disease or whatever that can damage the health of our people.
Several key players of this initiative expanded on why it is important for rural communities to have such and the durability of the project. Let's hear them.
First, we came in Nigeria in 2012. We started this community project to provide the safe drinking water to underserved communities. Underserved means the people who cannot afford the clean drinking water. Our 7 projects from Lagos and Ogun State from the CSR projects, and we pitched to the Federal Ministry of Water Resources. We train them as per our standard and technology of the machines, so that this plant can run on without any failure, without any malfunctioning or anything like that. Those waters we make in such a way that it should be cheaper than even sachet water. But it should be standard. It should have the standard of the Seaway and other brands, whatever the bottling companies are there, that kind of brands. So from there we carried it to level that 150 naira we are charging for the water. If you are bringing your own jerry can, if you are getting with the seal and cap, it is 200 naira. So if you calculate 200 naira is like a 20-liter water we are giving to the community at 200 naira. And 150 naira if you are bringing your own jerry can, something like that.
Water Health Project is an integrated water supply project aimed at serving a densely populated area. There is difference between this and other domestic facility provided, other community facility provided by the government, in the sense that incorporated in the scheme is the water treatment section of it. And I'm aware that in a day, this facility can serve about 100 meter cube of water in a day. And the beauty of it is that it's creating employment generation for people here, because people will also be working here, and it's a system of BOT, build, operate and transfer, by Water Health Company. After about 20-25 years, it will be transferred back to the community, where the community himself or the LG himself will take full charge of the facilities after being operated for a period of time. So it creates employment generations, and at the same time it's also improving health of people, because number of people who will be patronizing the hospital now for diarrhea, water-related cases will be much more reduced.
We've mutated this type of project from in different parts of Nigeria, from the north to the west, maybe 1 or 2 in the east. There is need to go to the grassroots, and these are underserved communities water-wise. the idea is born out of the fact that a lot of diseases that we have are from what we put into our mouth, what we ingest, what we drink. So we have the theory that prevention is better than cure. And water should not be an elitist thing. Clean water should not be for the rich alone. But that is what it is today. Even the sachet water is 5 naira or 20 naira. How many can afford that? The rich can afford to buy water at 1,000 a bottle. Now, but here, we're willing to give a 25-liter can of water, subsidized, maybe at 30 naira or thereabout. So the idea is if people know where to source good water, clean water.
Impressively, the facility is designed to serve not less than 20,000 people a day. Water Health Center will not only make water more readily available to the masses, they have the state-of-the-art equipment to aid in properly purifying water. This will go a long way in reducing the rate of waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, hepatitis B, and so on. Dr. Nicholas Dumebi Madu, the Director, Water Supply Support and Services, who is representing the Honorable Minister, Nigerian Federal Ministry of Water Resources, Engineer Suleiman H. Adamu, also spoke on the subject.
Let me also tell the people of Ogun State that this is one of the first success stories in this new concept. So other states in Nigeria will be looking up to learn from what we have done here. So I encourage you to hold fast, show interest, patronize the facility, because replicating them in other states will depend on the feedbacks we get from you here.
With the official commissioning of this project, citizens of Sagamu local government area will be able to purchase clean water at low rates. A 20-liter bottle will be sold at just 100 naira, while its counterparts in the open market are being sold for around 750 to 800 naira. This will make good water much more accessible to people, regardless of their financial status.
Projects like this have been done in 5 local governments across Ogun State, and this is just the beginning of many more across Nigeria. This started in 2012 and it is bound to continue for many more years to come. I can say for a fact that people of Sagamu are privileged to have this opportunity and they are going to make very good use of it. Thankfully, we are going to have the testimonies of low waterborne disease rates and many others. For more updates like this, make sure to visit our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at Official Rema TV. You can also visit our website at www.rematv.com.ng to get the best up-to-date news on Rema land and beyond. I am Naomi Oj. Bye-bye.